and welcome to Northeast Tonight, the show that decodes the region. A highly offensive post by a Ludhiana-based YouTuber has created sensation in Arunachal Pradesh. The YouTuber, one by the name of Paras Singh, says that the Arunachalis do not look like Indians and that the state could actually be a part of India. Yes, viewers, you have heard it right. That is what the YouTuber has said in his controversial post. He says that Arunachalis do not look like Indians and that the state could actually be a part of China. Now, this shocking action has led to multiple FIRs being lodged in Arunachal Pradesh and politicians and student leaders condemning the incident across the board. Actually, in fact, the YouTuber Paras Singh has already been arrested by the Punjab police, and now a 3-member Arunachal Pradesh police team has already arrived in Chandigarh and have now arrived at this point in time in Ludhiana armed with a non-bailable arrest warrant from a court in Itanagar. They are going to bring Paras Singh, the offensive YouTuber who has posted this offensive post, to Itanagar for further questioning. Now the bigger question is, there is a bigger question, viewers. The bigger question is whether it is time for the union government and the state governments in the northeastern region to take a close, hard look as to whether or not our region is part of the national consciousness. To debate this issue and more, I have a very eminent panel tonight. I'm joined by the Arunachal Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister BJ Peleda, Mr. Chawna Main. I'm also joined by MLA from Arunachal Pradesh and Congress leader Mr. Ninong Ering, a former MP who has been extremely vocal about the Chinese designs in the region. And of course, from Agartala, I am joined by Tripura Royal Scion Pradyut Debbarman, who is the chairman of Tripura, the regional political party that he formed recently. This Tripura is a political party formed by Pradyut Debbarman, and by the way, Pradyut Debbarman is a vocal champion of issues concerning the Northeast. Gentlemen, welcome to Northeast Tonight. First of all, let me go to you, Mr. Ninong Ering, joining me from Pasighat. Ninong Ering जी, ये जो YouTube का पोस्ट 23 मई को पहले दफ़ा पोस्ट किया था, 23 मई को पोस्ट किया था ये YouTube परास सिंह ने, ये जब आप पहले दफ़े देखा, आपका क्या रिएक्शन था? बिकॉज आपका पिक्चर दिखा करके, आपका फोटोग्राफ का ऊपर वो परास सिंह ने कमेंट्री दे रहा था, बोल रहा था कि निनोंग एरिंग जी बिल्कुल भारतीय जैसा नहीं दिखता है, उनका नाम भारतीय जैसा नहीं लगता है. फिर वो मैप में गया. तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक? बट इससे पहले निनोंग एरिंग जी, हम लोग देखेंगे वो यूट्यूब में actually what the YouTuber has said. Please hold on for 1 minute, Ninong Ering ji. Let us first show you what the offensive YouTube post was actually.
तो पहले इनकी फोटो देखो आप. मैं इनकी फोटो दिखाता हूं आपको. ये आपको इंडिया के लग रहे हैं? सही सही बताना कमेंट करके. मेरी वीडियो जितने भी बंदे देख रहे हैं, आप मेरे को बताना. ये मुझे तो नहीं लग रहा कि भाई ये इंडिया के हैं. बाकी उसके बाद इनकी बैनर वाली फ़ोटो भी देख लेते हम. इसमें भी मुझे एक भी इंडियन नहीं लग रहा. अब शायद अरुणाचल प्रदेश के बंदे ही ऐसे दिखते हो, मुझे नहीं पता, मैं कभी मिला नहीं उनसे. बाकी उसके बाद चलो ये भी देख लिया हमने. और इनका नाम पढ़ो भाई. मुझे तो ये इंडियन नेम लग ही नहीं रहा. ये नाम मुझे पढ़ने में भी नहीं आ रहा, मैं पढ़ना भी नहीं चाहता. और उसके बाद हम अरुणाचल प्रदेश को मैप में सर्च करते हैं. ये हमारा इंडिया है, ठीक है, बहुत बड़ा इंडिया है हमारा, जैसा कि आप सभी को पता ही है. और यहाँ पर मुझे अरुणाचल प्रदेश दिख क्यों नहीं रहा है भाई? कहाँ गया? किधर को गया? अरे यार, ये तो चाइना की साइड में है. ओ हो. ये रहा कोने में अरुणाचल प्रदेश. इसके ऊपर भी चाइनीज़ सिटीज़ हैं, साइड में भी चाइनीज़. मतलब ये चाइना वालों का ही है, एक तरह से उन्हीं के साथ ही है. हल्का फुल्का टच होता है, इंडिया में आता है अपने. और ये भाई साहब यहाँ पर न्यू दिल्ली पीएम मोदी को ट्वीट कर रहे हैं इतनी दूर से.
All right, shocking, extremely shocking. निनोंग एरिंग जी, आपको कैसे लगा था जब आप पहले दफे ये वीडियो को देखा था?
हाँ, सुबह मैंने देखा कि यहाँ जो यूट्यूब में या व्हाट्सएप में, फेसबुक में सब निकल गया। हमारे यहाँ के बच्चे, अरुणाचल के बच्चे, वो भी बहुत ही एडवांस्ड है, एटलीस्ट इन द सोशल मीडिया। तो बहुत सारे पोस्ट दिए और मुझसे पूछा गया कि आपका इस विषय में आप क्या कर रहे हैं? तो मुझे बहुत दुखित हुआ, खेद हुआ कि एक यहाँ का अपने ही भारत का एक लड़का मेरे ऊपर ऐसा टिप्पणी किया है कि मैं एक चीनी दिख रहा हूँ। भारतीय तो भारतीय कैसा दिखे हमको ये बताओ। साउथ के जो तमिलनाडु, केरल के वो तो अलग दिखेंगे, तो जो गढ़वाल का है वो अलग दिखेगा, लेह लद्दाख का लोग अलग दिखेंगे। यहाँ हमारे पूर्वोत्तर में चाहे वो मेघालय में, मिजोरम में हो, मणिपुर में हो, नागालैंड में हो, अरुणाचल में हो, वो तो अलग है ना, अलग अलग वेशभूषा है, उनका अलग उनका परंपरा होता है। तो नेचुरली हम लोग अलग अलग हैं। यहाँ हमारा बहुत भिन्न भिन्न विभिन्न जातियां हैं, जनजातियां हैं, तो हमारा लुक्स भी अलग होता है, लेकिन है तो हम भारतीय हैं। भारत माता की जय जय हिंद लेके हम लोग सबको स्वागत करते हैं। तो ये लड़का जो है शायद उनका एक फ्रस्ट्रेशन था, उनका जो, क्योंकि वो यूट्यूबर है और वो भी गेम्स में। तो मैं जो लिखा था अगेंस्ट क्राफ्टन एंड जो टेंसेंट, जो एक चाइनीज कंपनी है। क्राफ्टन ठीक है, इट इज अ कोरियन कंपनी एंड वी नो, एंड इट इज लिंक्ड विद द इंडियन दिस थिंग, बट स्टिल मैं जो सोचता हूँ कि मेरे यहाँ अरुणाचल के बच्चे हैं, बहुत नादान है, नेक है, सीधा साधा है, और खासतौर स्कूल बच्चे जब वो पबजी खेलते हैं तो अपना ध्यान पूरा अलग हो जाता है। उनका वो जो पढ़ाई में भी उनका
जी,
वो भूल जाते हैं पढ़ाई को। सो दोस थिंग्स आर देयर, दैट
जी।
इज द रीजन दैट आई गॉट अ शॉक। दैट इज द थिंग, द फर्स्ट रिएक्शन।
You got a shock. We'll come back to you. Ninong Edingji, we'll come back to you. Ninong Edingji, absolutely, he said that he was absolutely upset when he saw this video and he got a shock of his life. Let me turn to you, Mr. Chawna Main-ji, the Deputy Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh. Chawna Main-ji, आपने जब आप ये वीडियो, आपका दृष्टिकोण हुआ, आपका जब ये वीडियो आपने देखा, तो आपने you immediately condemned the incident, you immediately condemned the video, you gave very strong words. Now, how do you react? What do you think could be the reason behind this? आपके क्या सोचते हैं आप?
Mr. Wasbir, thank you very much to bring out these very important issues through your channel. First of all, I must thank all the people across Northeast India and in as a whole India as well for supporting our stand on these issues. You see, I remember when I used to be in the school and college, we go for you see the excursion on education tour outside Northeast India. And when we go to the market, the
Right.
people ask us, पूछता है हमें, आप कौन है, आप कहाँ के रहने वाले हैं? When we answer them, we are from Nefa, तो they are amazed कि नेफा कहाँ है, आप नेपाल के हो क्या? So they cannot believe us those days during the 60s. Today we are in the 21st century. Arunachal Pradesh has attained its union territory during 1972, and thereby Arunachal Pradesh also attained full-fledged statehood during 1987. Now we have got a popular elected government, but at the same time, some people
Yes.
still do not understand where is Arunachal Pradesh, whether Arunachal Pradesh is part of India, whether the history of Arunachal Pradesh, the geography of Arunachal Pradesh, the culture of Arunachal Pradesh. When I heard the boy's statement in the YouTube, I was really amazed. I was taken aback. You see, the way the boy is saying, look at his face, देखो देखो उनका चेहरा, इंडिया जैसे तो नहीं लगता है, उनका नाम भी
Yes.
इंडिया जैसा नहीं लगता है उसको देखने में, और उनका ग्रुप में जो फोटो है उनको भी इंडियन जैसा नहीं लगता है। और फादर ही कीप ऑन से हो देखो अरुणाचल प्रदेश कहाँ है, इंडिया के किस कोने में है, हो देखो ये चाइनीज का किनारे है, चाइनीज से सटा हुआ है, लगा हुआ है ना, ज़्यादा अंश तो चाइना का साथ लगा हुआ है, हल्के फुल्के इंडिया का साथ जोड़ा हुआ है। तो इस प्रकार का जो है आ, आ, ये उनका जो बयान है चाइना वालों का ही है। These are uncalled for. You see, such statement is not against an individual alone, but it is against entire state of Arunachal Pradesh, and thorough investigation is needed to find out the truth. It is not a case of ignorance alone. So when I saw this post, I immediately called my Chief Minister Sri Pema Khandu ji, and he told me that he had instructed the DG Arunachal Police to immediately register an FIR against the person Sri Paras Singh under section 124A, 153A and 5052 of IPC. I believe he is under arrest now.
राइट, आई कम बैक टू यू चौनामेन जी, मैं दोबारा आऊंगा आपके पास। प्रद्युत देवबर्मन जी, आप इस इंसिडेंट को कैसे देखते हैं? बिकॉज यू आर वन ऑफ द वोकल चैंपियंस ऑफ ऑल इश्यूज कंसर्निंग द नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन। यू आर ए ग्रेट चैंपियन ऑफ द इंडिजिनस पीपल ऑफ द नॉर्थ ईस्ट। हाउ डू यू लुक एट दिस इशू? आप इस इशू को कैसे देखते हैं? अगरतला में बैठ के आपको कैसा लग रहा है ये इंसिडेंट को? आप कैसे, आपका फर्स्ट रिएक्शन क्या होंगे?
मेरा फर्स्ट रिएक्शन है कि मुझे आई एम नॉट सरप्राइज्ड, मैंने ये पहले भी सुना है। जब कोरोना हुआ था तो नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न लोगों को कहा गया था, स्पेशली इन बैंगलोर, दैट नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न लोगों के थ्रू कोरोना आ सकता है क्योंकि वो चाइनीज़ है। उसके बाद जब नीडो को पीटा गया था और नीडो तानिया जब उनका डेथ हुआ था, झगड़ा अगर आपको याद होगा शुरू हुआ था क्योंकि ही लुक डिफरेंट, नॉट बिकॉज ही वॉज नीडो तानिया जो था, बिकॉज उनका शक्ल अलग था और उसमें नीडो ने रिएक्ट किया और उसके बाद उनको पीटा गया। और आप किसी से भी पूछ लीजिए, नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लोगों को उनका खाना अलग होता है, उनका देखना अलग होता है, सो दे आर नॉट कंसिडर्ड टू बी पार्ट ऑफ मेन स्ट्रीम इंडिया। तो आई एम नॉट शॉक्ड। ये मैंने वीडियो देखा, वो जो लड़का है पारस, और उनका जो कमेंट्स है, इट इज़ ही इज़ नॉट द ओनली वन। वो बेवकूफ़ था कि वो यूट्यूब में उन्होंने ये कह दिया, और निनोंग जी जो मेरे बहुत अच्छे मित्र भी हैं उनके बारे कहा है, और क्योंकि वो यूट्यूब में आ गया, हमने रिएक्ट किया है, तो वो आज अरेस्ट हुआ है। लेकिन हम कितने लोगों को अरेस्ट करेंगे इस देश में? ये जो मानसिकता है, दैट थिंकिंग इज देयर, इट इज़ देयर एवरीवेयर। आप कभी किसी के कास्ट को उनके कलर से आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं, कभी आप किसी के दाढ़ी को देखकर उसके मज़हब में आप कमेंट करते हैं, कभी क्योंकि ये नॉर्थ ईस्ट से है तो हमारे लुक्स को देखकर ये कर रहे हैं। ये दिस माइंडसेट इज देयर अक्रॉस इंडिया, और आई एम नॉट शॉक्ड। आई एम ओनली अनहैप्पी कि हम वी ओनली रिएक्ट और 10 दिन के बाद हम भूल जाएंगे इसको, और उसके बाद फिर से 2-3 महीने बाद कोई किसी को कुछ कहेगा, हम फिर से आउटरेज होंगे, उसके बाद हम फिर से चुप हो जाएंगे। इसी के लिए मैंने कहा था, लास्ट ईयर भी मैंने कहा था, बहुत लोग ने मुझे मेरी निंदा भी की। मैंने कहा था कि आप हमारे नेशनल एंथम में नॉर्थ ईस्ट का जिक्र नहीं है। हम इंटीग्रेट कहाँ हुए 70 साल के बाद? वेयर इज द इंटीग्रेशन? इज इंटीग्रेशन ओनली सेलिब्रेटिंग 15th of August? Is integration only making symbolic gestures? Integration happens in the mind and in the hearts, and I don't see it happening across India. In fact, I think India is more disintegrated today than ever before. And Paras ko aap example banayenge, great. I hope he gets a good danda. But then the integration is beyond this. How many times has Baichung Bhutia been insulted despite the whole country knowing? How many times Mary Kom has been insulted despite the whole country knowing? So this is a regular phenomenon. I am not surprised. The government of India cannot do anything.
Right. Right. We'll have to wait and watch. Very significant points made by Mr. Pradyut Debbarman. निनोंग एरिंग जी, प्रद्युत देबबर्मन जी का यही कहना है कि ये अभी हम लोग को कंडेम कर रहा है, हम लोग एफआईआर लॉस किया, परास सिंह को अरेस्ट किया गया है, तो शायद अरुणाचल में भी ले आ सकता है उनको, पता नहीं ना। अभी बात यह है कि कितनों को हम अरेस्ट करेंगे, ये ब्रॉडर इशू को हम कैसे डील करेंगे, कैसे डील करना चाहिए?
Good evening, Chaunaman sir. Good evening, Pradyut. It's nice that you have joined us in this main issue regarding the Northeast region. I agree with Pradyut ji, where they say that this is not the first issue. We have so many cases throughout the country. Let it be in Chandigarh, let it be in Bangalore, let it be in Delhi, let it be in Mumbai, in Pune. It's very unfortunate. So that is the word I can put, only unfortunate. That we are in a country, people of the Northeast. We love our country more than what even the mainland India people have. We always welcome our people with Jai Hind. We always say Bharat Mata ki Jai. And that Desh Bhakti in us, it is more than anyone else we can challenge. Any Arunachali, I will say that yes, the whole Northeast has got that nationalistic feeling. But the people of Arunachal, you'll see, the Franca lingo itself is Hindi. So that itself shows that we are Hindustani. So I can't understand how these children, especially in this case, I'll say he's a YouTuber. He's got more than 5,70,000 followers. So such a person, not knowing Arunachal Pradesh or not knowing me, my late father, late dying Ering, was a union minister. I was a union minister. I was an MP for 2 times. So here we can see that how come he does not know about me. If he goes to the Google or even in the YouTube and just type my name, it comes out. So here I'll say that he has done it purposely. That just on that frustration. That frustration is there in him. But I will agree with Pradyut and also with Honorable Deputy CM that the mansikta ka change karna hai. We have to change the mindset of the people of the central India.
Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. चौनामेन जी, प्रद्युत बर्मन जी और निनोंग एरिंग जी ने कहा है कि ये मानसिकता जो है, माइंडसेट को बदलना होगा, लेकिन ये माइंडसेट को कौन बदलेगा, यही बड़ा सवाल है. दिस इज द बिग क्वेश्चन, हु इज गोइंग टू चेंज द माइंडसेट. मेरा प्रश्न है आपसे चौनामेन जी, अभी जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट में है, सारा स्टेट में पॉपुलरली इलेक्टेड सरकार है, आपका वहां आप है, पेमा खांडू जी मुख्यमंत्री है, असम में आ जाइए, पॉपुलरली इलेक्टेड मोस्ट पावरफुल चीफ मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर हिमंत बिस्वा शर्मा है, मणिपुर में जाइए बीरेन्द्र सिंह जी है, मेघालय में जाइए कॉनरेड सांगमा है, त्रिपुरा में जाइए बिप्लब देव है. नाउ डू यू थिंक दैट टाइम हैज कम for all the leaders of the Northeast to unite and come up with a big voice in the national capital to bring about a consciousness, national consciousness focused towards the Northeast? क्या सिलेबस में होना चाहिए नॉर्थ ईस्ट का चैप्टर? कस्टम्स, कल्चर, ट्रेडिशन का बारे में टेक्स्ट बुक्स में नहीं होना चाहिए? क्या एनसीईआरटी ये सब इशू डालना नहीं चाहिए? आपका क्या मानना है?
वासबीर, यू आर वेरी राइट. मैं आपका सवाल का सही पूरा जवाब देता हूँ. पहले तो ये है कि yes, there are instances of discrimination among the student of Northeast India by certain section of the people in the certain metropolitan cities. You see, but government of India has handled it well by bringing awareness about the integration of India as a whole, and they have taken up the case as well also. You see, the disease-old ignorance towards Northeast India has been accelerated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji on all fronts, whether be it on highways, railways, airways, riverways, or internet ways. on all front. Modi ji says that Northeast is the engine of growth for India. No, he says that India cannot think of any progress development without the Northeast. The government of India has on certain occasion trying its best to unify and integrate the entire the country through cultural integrity. माननीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने एडवोकेट किया है कि देखो अपना देश। उन्होंने कहा है कि आप विदेश जाओ, विदेश घूम के आओ, फिर भी अपना देश को भी देखो, अपना प्रदेश को भी देखो, जाओ लोगों से मिलो, उनका कल्चरल के बारे में जानो, उनका हिस्ट्री के बारे में जानो, उनका ज्योग्राफी के बारे में जानो। नेशनल कल्चरल एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम हमारा भारत सरकार का है, जहाँ की एक प्रदेश का जो आर्टिस्ट है वो लोग दूसरा प्रदेश जाते हैं, लोगों से मिलता है, कल्चरल इंटीग्रेशन एक्सचेंज होता है, भाईचारा का भाव होता है, आदान प्रदान होता है। और एट द सेम टाइम नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने लुक ईस्ट पॉलिसी को बदलाव करके एक्ट ईस्ट पॉलिसी ऑल राउंड डेवलपमेंट अरुणाचल प्रदेश में लाया है, भाईचारा का भाव लाया है। तो एक बात मैं मानता हूँ कि हमें हमारा जो माइंडसेट है उनको बदली करना होगा, लेकिन इसके लिए हम सरकार को ब्लेम करने से नहीं होगा। सरकार का तरफ से, भारत सरकार का तरफ से सही कदम ले रहा है। और एक बात है, मैं और एक बता देता हूँ। आपने जो कहा है सभी, आपने कहा है, आप सुनिए, आपने कहा है कि सभी चीफ मिनिस्टर को मिल के एक प्लेटफॉर्म बना के हमारा जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट का जो इश्यूज है उसको लाना है कि नहीं लाना है। मैं आपको कहता हूँ कि पहले नॉर्थ ईस्ट में ऐसा जो यूसी सरकार था कि विभिन्न पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का सरकार था, तब भी नॉर्थ ईस्ट स्पीकर्स फोरम हुआ करते थे, तब भी नॉर्थ ईस्ट एमपीज फोरम हुआ करते थे। अभी तो नॉर्थ ईस्ट में पूरा का पूरा बीजेपी सरकार है और बीजेपी का अलायंस सरकार है। यहाँ सभी चीफ मिनिस्टर यंग है, बहुत काम करने वाला है, टैलेंटेड है। व्हाई कांट वी हैव ए वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग नॉर्थ ईस्ट एमपीज फोरम, नॉर्थ ईस्ट स्पीकर्स फोरम and Northeast Chief Ministers Forum, where we can put up our common interests, common issues to the government
Right.
of India.
Right.
और
So,
एक कैरिकुलम का बात बोल रहा है,
this
आप
is a
कैरिकुलम,
very
नेशनल
interesting-
कैरिकुलम, आप कैरिकुलम, आप सुन लीजिए वो भी जवाब
जी,
मेरा। जो
जी।
नेशनल कैरिकुलम का जो बात बोला है, आई रिमेम्बर ड्यूरिंग द 6th जनरल काउंसिल मीटिंग ऑफ नीति आयोग चेयर्ड बाय ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर, where our chief minister also attended the meeting. I was accompanying him during the video conferencing. So during that video conferencing, our chief minister Pema Khandu had categorically requested prime minister की honorable prime minister, जो हमारा नॉर्थ ईस्ट का जो हिस्ट्री है, जो कल्चर है, जो इंडियन का जो मेन करिकुलम में इसको इंक्लूड किया जाए कॉलेजेस एंड स्कूल में। उसी तरह उन्होंने ट्वीट भी किया है, उन्होंने ट्वीट भी किया है, ट्वीटेड में कहा है कि गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया मस्ट इंक्लूड नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडियन हिस्ट्री एंड इट्स कल्चर इन द मेन करिकुलम. This will reinforce national integration in the true spirit of Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat.
जी जी, मैं दोबारा आऊंगा आपके पास चौना मैन जी. He has said some important things. Chona Main, the Deputy Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh, senior BJP leader, he's saying that there can be or there should be a Northeastern Chief Ministers Forum, Northeastern MPs Forum, and Northeastern Speakers Forum. At least we should have something immediately to get things moving. Mr. Pradyut Dev Burman, two issues. One, you may have political differences, but as far as Northeastern region's issue is concerned, I am sure you are one, irrespective, cutting across party lines. But the point is, what about there has to be a curriculum. In the curriculum, the issues of the Northeastern region, culture, history, geography, has to feature. Number one, do you agree or not? And secondly, that what Mr. Chona Main said, there can be a Chief Minister's Forum or a Speaker's Forum as well as a MP's Forum. What do you think?
First of all, let me give you an example. America, which is the largest democracy in the world, has taken over 200 odd years to give equal rights to African Americans. आई हैव हर्ड, मैंने सुना है कि हमारे सब MLAs और मंत्री जी बोल रहे हैं कि हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं, भारत माता की जय। अफ्रीकन्स को अमेरिका में आज अधिकार मिला है क्योंकि उन्होंने अपना सभ्य दे केप्ट देयर ओन आइडेंटिटी। वो वाइट बनने की कोशिश उन्होंने नहीं किया, वो अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन ही रहे। आज अगर हमको अपना एक अस्तित्व हिंदुस्तान में बनाना है तो स्टॉप ट्राइंग टू बी मोर लाइक नॉर्थ इंडिया and try to be more like who we already are. First of all, keep our identity intact. Feel proud about being a Nishi, about Galo, about Khasi, Garo, Jaintia, Assamese, Naga, Meitei. First, feel proud about who we are. Let's not try to be what we are not. So let's not try to be something which we are not. Second cheese, आपने कहा, of course, we should all unite across all political lines on this issue. But this is not a political issue. This is a social and cultural issue. Today we should all get together and actually say, where is the Northeast in the national anthem? Should we have a separate time zone? Why can't we speak on issues where we stand out from the rest of the country? हम बोल रहे हैं कि नेशनल मार्गदर्शन कराओ, एक्सचेंज करो। अरे पंजाब का लड़का बैंगलोर नहीं जाता है, पंजाब का लड़का दार्जिलिंग तक नहीं पहुंचता है, अरुणाचल और त्रिपुरा क्यों आएगा? पहले इनका मानसिकता आप चेंज कीजिए। ये लोग एजुकेटेड लड़के लोग हैं, इनका माइंडसेट ही है पहले से कि जो भी नॉर्थ ईस्ट से है वो एक्चुअली मेनलैंड का नहीं है। इसी के लिए आप हिंदुस्तान का सबसे बड़ा कल्चरल एक्सचेंज देख लीजिए, बॉलीवुड। अगर मैरी कॉम को एक पिक्चर में लाना है तो आपको प्रियंका चोपड़ा लाना पड़ता है, because the Indian mindset largely still has not accepted a northeastern face to be a part of the mainstream. This will not happen with Chief Ministers Forum, MPs Forum. This will happen if we are aggressive and we hold on to our point of view and we make them realize that despite being different, we are part of India.
Very well said, Pradyut Debbarman. Despite being different, we are part of India. But Pradyut Debbarman says the people of the Northeast have to hold on to their distinct identity. I will take a response from Mr. Chawna Main and Mr. Ninong Aring and take this debate forward. But before that, I'll go for a very short break. Don't go away. I'll be right back after this short commercial. Welcome back. We are in the middle of a very engaging discussion. I have titled this show Our Arunachal, Our Pride, just to drive home the point to the national consciousness, to people elsewhere, people outside the northeastern region, that we have to be sensitive towards frontier states at the end of the day. These are the people who are right at the border, who are all the time faced with ingress from across the border and so on. Of course, we have a very powerful army at this point in time managing our borders very well, but that is not the point. Point is, if our own people do not know about our region, that is the bigger question. And I'm sad to say today, unfortunately, none of the people in the national media has decided that it is worth taking up this issue. That is the bigger problem. Now, I'm coming to you, Mr. Ninong Aring. You have been raising this issue against Chinese infiltration, Chinese ingress. You are talking about the Chinese plans to divert the Brahmaputra. You have been taking issues about when the waters of the river Siang turns black. You have been raising this issue, and another of your colleague from the BJP, Mr. Tapir Gao, Mr. Chownaman, everybody has been raising this issue. But despite that, you know, on and off, Nido Tania ka hua, abhi this attack on you. So how do we go ahead? How do we change the mindset? अगर आप बोलते हैं कि mindset change करना है, इसको कैसे आगे बढ़ना है?
Thank you. Joe, let us see the way forward. I will appreciate the sentiments of my young friend Pradyut. Royal blood hai, wo काफी गुस्सेदार है. And the way he has said that we should keep our own identity, we must, if I am an Adi, I should be an Abuni, if I am a Tripuri, I should be a Tripuri, if I am a Khamti, I should be a Khamti, or if I am a Nishi, I am a Nishi, if I am a Naga, I should have my own identity. That's right, I accept that. And I even appreciate how on our Deputy CM has said that the way forward, how we are going to deal with the issues, and how the Honorable Prime Minister has said, let us not look east, but let us act east. Of course, because of this COVID situation and this pandemic, a lot of things have been stopped. But the way forward is when the case of Nido Tania was there, and after that discrimination that was going against the people of the Northeast, we had approached the Prime Minister at that time, Dr. Manmohan Singh, and we had made a committee, the Baysboro Committee. There were 5 main objectives which were to be taken up. The first one was, of course, some very stringent laws should be made. Some very stringent laws should be made against racial discrimination. The second was trying to get the NCRT, like you were mentioning, like the NCRT and the CBSC, where in the books, our dynasty, our kings, our freedom fighters, all should have been reflected. Let it be in geography or let it be in history. So these were things we were mainly taking up. Of course, there were other issues like having fast track courts, and then even giving, especially in the cities, some for ladies, some special protection force were there. So these are the items that or the issues which were mentioned in the Baysboro Committee. So I would request Honorable Deputy CM and also all the Chief Ministers of the Northeast or all the MPs, the Northeast MPs Forum, that this Baysboro Committee report should be once again taken up and we should go forward. If we take up this issue, I'm sure that some changes will be there. Yes, we have to show our identity. So this is my take.
Right. Now, very clear-cut statement there from Mr. Ninongering. Mr. Chownaman जी, Ninongering जी का कहना है कि जो नीदो टानिया का assault and हत्या के बाद बेसबरुआ कमेटी बनाया गया था, वहाँ there were a lot of suggestions put. One was the stringent anti-racism laws, including chapters on the northeastern region in NCRT textbooks and so on. But people do not follow up and nothing concrete emerges. Now, मेरा सवाल ये है चौनामेन जी, अभी नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन में जैसे आपने कहा, आइदर या तो बीजेपी का अपनी सरकार है या तो मित्रजोत का सरकार है, एनडीए का सरकार है. तो आप डोंट यू थिंक, आप क्या ये मानेंगे कि आपका दायित्व अभी ज़्यादा है क्योंकि सेंटर में भी आपका ही सरकार है? तो don't you think that you can, if you want, you can really create awareness across the whole country using the network of the MPs, using the network of your respective state governments?
Yes, very right, Wasbir. You see, this is a common issue. These issues can be corrupted not only in Arunachal Pradesh, it may happen in Assam, it may happen in Nagaland, it may happen in Mizoram, it may happen in Meghalaya, it may happen in Manipur, it may happen in all other northeast states. So unitedly, we should fight, cutting across all party line. Cutting across all party line, we should fight together on all these issues. We should stand together. At the same time, I am saying that when we have such a strong government in the northeast, why can't we have the MPs forum? Why can't we have a speakers forum? Why can't we have a chief ministers forum to raise all these issues? It has happened. Discrimination has happened in earlier occasion also. Besporo committee has come out. So we have to take all aspects together and fight together for this kind of activities. Nip in the bud, nip in the bud. This is an example to the entire अरुणाचल प्रदेश. अरुणाचल प्रदेश को मॉकिंगली बोलता है कि ओ हो ये तो चाइना से सटा हुआ है. तो ये अरुणाचल प्रदेश को चाइना का साथ मिला रहा है. तो ये तो दिस इज अ वेरी सीरियस कंसर्न. सो वी शुड ऑल दी फाइट टुगेदर कटिंग अक्रॉस दिस इन for our identity,
Right,
for the
right.
identity
Now,
of Arunachal Pradesh, not only Arunachal Pradesh, but
Chauna
for the
Menji-
identity of the entire Northeast.
Right. I agree. I agree. There is no dispute at all. I fully agree with what you are saying. But my question to you, Chauna Menji, can you assure the people of the Northeast today on this program, can you assure the people of the Northeast, because you are a very senior leader, not just of Arunachal Pradesh, but of the entire Northeast, can you assure that at least you are going to take some initiative to bring these Northeastern chief ministers together in a platform, or the MPs in a platform, or the speakers? Are you going to take some initiative on your own?
देखिए, मैंने जब YouTube में सोशल मीडिया में ये जो पारस सिंह का जो बात सुना, साथ ही साथ मैंने अपने चीफ मिनिस्टर को का अटेंशन लाया, हमारा जो चीफ सेक्रेटरी का अटेंशन लाया, डीजी का अटेंशन लाया, और उसी प्रकार से वो बंदा अरेस्ट भी हो गया है. तो अभी भी जो मैंने इमीडिएटली ट्विटर में दे दिया है, सभी लोग सपोर्ट किया है हमारा स्टैंड को ट्विटर में. तो आने वाले समय में भी हम लोग सब मिलकर काम करेंगे कि इस तरह का घटना नॉर्थ ईस्ट में ना हो, इस तरह का घटना और दोबारा ना हो.
Right.
तो वो जो लड़का अरेस्ट हुआ है, तो एफआईआर हो गया है और इन्वेस्टिगेशन है, तो ही इज अरेस्ट. तो ये जो ट्रूथ विल कम आउट आफ्टर द प्रॉपर इन्वेस्टिगेशन. अभी उनको क्लीन चिट नहीं देना है हमको उनको. तो इसीलिए मेरा कहना है कि ये पूरा हमारा
Right.
इशू है, हम मिलजुल के लड़ेंगे इसको, और इशू को हम ऐसे इसी में ख़त्म नहीं करेंगे. आने वाले समय में भी आई विल ब्रिंग द अटेंशन ऑफ ऑल द चीफ मिनिस्टर कंसर्न.
Right. Nice to hear that, Chauna Menji. ये सुनकर अच्छा लगा. I'm sure you are going to take the initiative. Now let me come to you, Mr. Pradyut Debbarman. Mr. Pradyut Debbarman, you know, this incident has come at a time. I am playing the devil's advocate here. This incident has come at a time when we have problems along the line of actual control. Even today, as we are talking, the Indian establishment, Indian state has been compelled because of the Chinese actions to increase the security force presence along the line of actual control. Now the Chinese are provoking us all the time. The Chinese are provoking us all the time. Now the Chinese have come up with a new game. After PUBG has been banned by the Indians government, now they have come up with another game called Battleground, due to which Noinong Aringji had to write a letter to bring this to the attention of the central government. Now, do you think, we cannot take these issues lightly, because the Chinese might try to engage YouTubers innocently, and innocent YouTubers, whether they are innocent or not, only an investigation will reveal. Do you think that it can be a bigger conspiracy also? It may not be as simple as some people think.
No, I think we are just overreaching. Chinese kills 20 of our soldiers and we go and ban a video game. I think for a superpower, this is not an appropriate response. I think there are a lot of things that I don't want to mix this issue up with today. The fact is that India will not break up because Pakistan will send its mujahideens. India will not break up because China will attack Leh, Ladakh or parts of Arunachal. India's biggest weakening power is the mentality that we do not accept people of certain religion, we do not accept people of certain color, and we do not accept people of certain looks. Now, all this is fine. I loved what the Honorable Chief Minister said, Deputy Chief Minister said that MPs forum, we should all get together, so on and so forth. I don't think that anything will come out of it. After 10 days, we will all go back to our comfortable lives, and this will again happen, and then we will react again. The fact is that the Uniform Civil Code, which the central government proposes, where we should have one language, one culture, one India, itself goes against the distinct way of life of our people in the Northeast. So I don't think that we can convince the establishment of diversity when the Uniform Civil Code itself goes against it. And finally, my only last few words is, why are we trying to be when people on the other side are not even accepting us for who we are? Let us be who we are. Let us be proud of who we are. If today a dish from North India is
Right.
considered Indian food, so
Right.
should some Naga food be also considered. If a mekla is Indian, then so is sari. Why should only one dress be this? And that YouTuber, that boy,
Right.
he is a symptom. He is a symptom. But the problem is much bigger. You can create many Base Barua committees. You can create committees to investigate
Problem is
committees.
much bigger. Absolutely.
Problem is when someone says that if you have soybeans, let's ban soybean sauce because China has attacked us. Let's ban PUBG. Do you think China even worries about what we're doing? India
All right.
will
All
break
right. All
up
right.
with
Pradip
people
Department-
like this.
Absolutely.
Not external aggression.
Right. I'll come back to you. I'll come back to you with to continue with the points that you have made. Ninong Eringji, now the point is, how can we? Do you think it can be part of a bigger design? ये कोई लोग अभी कहेंगे कि बच्चा है, गलती से वो कर दिया, उसको मालूम नहीं था, उनका माता जी जो है वो अभी माफ़ी मांगा है यूट्यूब में एक वीडियो डाल के. नाउ लोग कहेंगे कि ये गलती से हो गया, उनको मालूम नहीं है. तो आर वी गोइंग टू एक्सेप्ट दिस? डू यू थिंक दैट इट कुड बी पार्ट ऑफ ए बिगर कॉन्स्पिरेसी अगेंस्ट इंडिया?
I don't know the intentions of these gamers, especially like I said, ये जो YouTuber था, अच्छा तो है, he may be innocent also, and he may be a part of a bigger plan. But my objection on PUBG, or of course, I'll differ from my friend Pradyut, because this PUBG game is, spoiling the lives of the children, at least in my state, Arunachal, and my small children minds are dead. That is the reason I have written to Honorable Prime Minister, even in Parliament, time whenever that be, or even in also I have this objection that it should be banned in, at least in Arunachal Pradesh. So these issues are there. But when you say greater plan, you can see what China is doing. They've won the Third World War without firing a single bullet. Just with one city, Wuhan, they have conquered the whole Third World War, and depression is there everywhere. You can see जो आर्थिक स्थिति इतना बिगड़ गया है, अभी आप GDP अगर बोलेंगे तो चाइना का ठीक है, the rest of the world is finished. So you can see their mindset. I'm always against the Chinese, and people, I think the Chinese people must be seeing me and saying that this guy is really, in fact, they must all mark my home also, और बैलिस्टिक मिसाइल्स पूरे रेडी करके रखा होगा. लेकिन जो गलत है उसको गलत बोलना ही पड़ेगा. Now they'll make a tunnel in Medoc country and say we are not doing anything, but you complete the tunnel and then you say we have completed. Then you say we are going to build a dam, and then suddenly you see it's already built. So these things we have to unite ourselves also, at least in a broader sense. And about the issue of the racial discrimination,
Right.
I'm saying we
Right.
have to find a way out. We have to find a way out.
We have to find a way out. Absolutely. I'm coming to you, Mr. Chonamain. Chonamain ji, ये आप क्या मानता है, ये क्या, is it a simple case of an ignorant YouTuber making such kind of a video post, or do you think it could be part of a larger conspiracy? क्योंकि चाइनीज जो है लाइन ऑफ एक्चुअल कंट्रोल लद्दाख में, अब मान लीजिए अरुणाचल में, तो ये काफ़ी कंटिन्यूसली ये प्रोवोक कर रहा है। तो अभी एक गांव बना लिया, एक दे हैव कंस्ट्रक्टेड ए विलेज in Arunachal Pradesh, near across the border in Arunachal Pradesh. This was a land which belonged to Arunachal Pradesh originally. तो आप क्या समझता है, ये हो सकता है क्या? Is it, do you think you can rule out that it is not part of a bigger conspiracy?
Wasbir, whether one likes it or not, commenting Arunachal Pradesh as part of China by Paras Singh cannot be brushed aside simply on grounds of ignorance. And it needs proper investigation, as there is a wider conspiracy, whether conspiracy against our state or not. As far as the international border is concerned, you see the people of Arunachal Pradesh in the frontier line, they have been guarding the international border as sentinel from time immemorial. And I say that they are no less patriotic than any other Indians. If you visit Arunachal Pradesh, the people across the border will greet you with the Jai Hind, Jai Hind. And if any VIP, if any important person or any guest come to Arunachal Pradesh, there will be few kilometers of cultural troop greeting our invitees. So I think our hospitality is no less than the others. Even the school children across the border area sing Sare Jaha Se Acha Hindustan Hamara. So this is Arunachal Pradesh, and this is Northeast. You see the Nagaland, the Tripura, the Meghalaya, everybody, every state has been guarding the border like a sentinel. We are all together. We should fight all our issues, common issues together. That is what I wanted to say, and we will do it definitely. Why not? Why cannot we do?
Absolutely, absolutely. Very, very significant comments by the three esteemed panelists on the show tonight. Basically, now the government of India has to consider, and the governments in the northeastern states has to push for it to have chapters in the national school curriculum, at least to have chapters on history, geography, culture, tradition, customs of the northeastern region, to make people across the country aware that this is a distinct region of 45 million people, 8 states that shares borders with 5 foreign countries: China, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar, and of course Nepal. So that basically is the point we are making. Yes, Pradut Dev Burman, final comments from you. Wanted to say something, Pradut Dev Burman? Yes.
Yes, finally, I think we should stop getting over this China syndrome. If China had to bribe a YouTuber from Punjab, from Chandigarh and Paras, instead of a general or a politician, that means China is actually on very weak wicket. I don't think China needs to bribe YouTubers. They can do a lot more things to hurt India. So let's stop blaming China. Second thing, the most important thing, if the politicians of Northeast need to get together and send a single voice to the Northeast, to Delhi, then in the parliament, they should all get together, and if the political parties are not agreeing, then send a private members bill and say that there should be a law against racism in this country. This law shall be applicable to all people from the Northeast, outside. There should be a law against racism, and if the political parties do not agree, then a private members bill could be moved. I think that would be far better than us blaming neighboring countries for our own problems. The problem is within India.
And need for an anti-racism law. If it's not passed, there can be a private member. That's what Pradut Dev Burman is saying. On the whole, several suggestions. Mr. Chona Main, the Deputy Chief Minister, senior BJP leader, suggesting that there has to be a forum for the Northeastern MPs, speakers, and of course the chief ministers, and Ninong Aringzi saying that it could be part of a bigger conspiracy. Chona Main ji also saying that a proper investigation is necessary. On the whole, we have to bring an end to this racial attacks or discrimination attacks by section of the people. Let me clarify. Large chunk of the Indians, large section of the Indians are not racist. They do not make any distinction between the Northeast and the rest of the country, because they know that we are very much an integral part of India. We cannot paint everybody with the same kind of a brush. Of course, there are exceptions, and the exceptions has to end. For that, we will continue. We at Northeast Live will continue our efforts to end racism and discrimination towards people of the Northeast. I thank all my panelists, Mr. Chana Main, Mr. Ninong Aring, and Mr. Pradyut Debbarman for taking time out to be on the program, and the viewers for watching the show. Good night and goodbye.